Okay, welcome to day two of data interpretation. Yesterday we had started with basic fundamentals. We had discussed as to what is data, types of data, then we have discussed and the major difference between information and data. So any raw facts and figures, if we have, we call it data. When we are making it in a structured format, say tables or anything, when we are representing the data and it is making any sense, then we call it information. Then majorly we have discussed quantitative and qualitative data. Whenever we see numerical figure, which is countable, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Scores, ratings, statistics, everything, which is quantifiable or which you are able to count it, we say it quantitative. Other than that, descriptive data, wherein we are using words, expressions, narratives, survey, interview, that we categorize into qualitative data. Okay. uh, Post to it, we had started with basic. We had seen bar charts, and we just saw the pie chart, right? So here we'll take one, two example for pie chart. We'll take a couple of example, and then we'll proceed to get today with majorly. We'll focus on table data, and secondly the line charts. Okay. Now here on the screen, you can see the question. Uh, Study the pie charts given below. Expenditure occurred in the publishing book. So here the unit is percentage. If the publisher has to pay 61,200 as a printing cost for production of a certain quantity of books, then what will be the amount of royalty to be paid in these books? I repeat, the publisher has to pay 61,200 as the printing cost for the production of certain quantity of books. Then what will be the amount of royalty to be paid for these books? You can write your answers in the Dropbox message box. See what all figures we have here. Anyone? Have I understood the question? Yes, no, maybe, or I'll make you all understand. No worries. Have I understood the question? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Others? If the publisher has to pay 61,200 as the printing cost, right? Now, printing cost here is 20%. Now, can I say here 20% is amounting to 61,200 and I want to find the amount for royalty. Now, royalty here we can see it is 15%. Yes? Everyone is with me so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, the ratio between the printing cost and the royalty is 20 is to 15. Can you simplify it up? 20 is to 15. What it will be? 5 fours are 20. 5 threes are 15. Everyone is with me so far? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now here 4 is 20% is my printing cost. So 4 I can correlate with 61,200. And here the question is asking what is the amount to be paid for royalty. Now with this equation, can you find R quickly? What will be the answer? We do cross multiplication. If we write 4 is to 3 equals to 61,200 upon R, which is my royalty. We do cross multiplication. What will be the answer? 61,200 into 3 divided by 4. Anyone?
45,900.
45,900, which is my answer number C. Are we getting the point, everyone? Are you able to follow it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now here we have to do a comparison. Now the answer over here, or when you see the data which is given in the form of pie chart, it is in percentage. So that way we can use here the ratio and proportion. Okay. The next question on the screen. If the cost price of the book is 150, if the cost price of the book is 150, then what will be the combined printing and binding cost for a single copy of the book? Price. You all understand cost price and selling price? Can anyone tell me what's the difference between the two? Cost price and selling price?
Selling price includes profit margin also.
Okay,
And cost price is the expenses incurred in the process of production, labor and non-labor both.
correct. So here they are saying if the cost price, only the cost price is 150, then what is the combined printing and binding cost for a single copy of the book?
A60.
60. Okay. Others? Are you all answering in the chat box? C, C, C. Very good. Okay. Shri Devi is saying A. Okay. 20 plus 20, 20 of my binding cost, 20 of my printing. Together it is making 40%. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
40% of my cost price. Cost price is 150. You simplify this up, you'll get 60. Are you all getting the point? Yes, no? 40% hai, so we will do this. You simplify it up, you will get 60. See, cost price is 150. Then what is the combined printing and costing? Same way, the logic which we have used in this, we have combined and then formed the ratio. Here also, we have used the same thing, but here they're asking two things. So we are combining both of them, and cost price is already given. So we are multiplying with that. So we are landing up with 60 as an answer. Are you all following it? Are you all understanding? If it is new, it's fine, but
Yes, ma'am.
understand the concept.
Mom, from where did we get 60?
See, I have combined binding percentage as 20 and printing 20. So we are getting 40% of cost price.
Right.
40 divide by 100 into 150. Okay, so the answer is A, that is 60. Okay, everyone? Anyone has any doubt at any point you want me to repeat, please do let me know. Don't feel shy and all. It may be silliest thing, we don't understand it. There's no worry, there's no competition over here. We can definitely, we are here to learn. Shall we move ahead, everyone?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Okay. What is the central angle of the sector corresponding to expenditure incurred on royalty? What is the central angle? Yesterday we have understood how do we calculate the angle corresponding to royalty. When we are talking about royalty, what is the angle? Royalty, we are having 15%. What did we learn yesterday? Into what figure do we do? Quick.
3.6.
Lovely. 3.6, which is nothing but this is a percentage. So we are saying 360 divided by 100 if you do it. So 15 into 3.6. Quickly give me an answer.
54 degree.
54 degree. See, in pie chart, this is a common pattern which you're observing. There's a question with terms of angle. So please make sure there might be a good probability it may be asked, right? So whenever an angle is being asked, whatever is the figure in there, you can divide it by 3.6 and that will give you the exact angle. So here the right answer is 54%. Okay. What is the difference between the promotion and printing cost if we assume that the total cost is 200? What is the difference between the promotion cost? We just now did that combination of binding and the other one, 2020. Similar pattern we have to attempt here.
Ma'am, B20.
Okay. Others? Please write in chat box. You take your time. I'm here. But please respond. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please verbally explain how it needs to be done?
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll do. Difference between promotion and printing cost. What is promotion here? We have 10. Printing cost 20. What is the difference in percentage?
10.
10%. 10% of what? If we assume that the cost price is 200. What is 10% of 200?
20, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Simple, we'll do, right? 100 ones are 100 twos are 20. So the right answer here is 20. Okay, now let's quickly see one more last and then we'll move forward to tables. Okay, a company has an annual budget which is distributed across 5 departments: finance, HR, sales, IT, marketing. The total budget is 20 lakh dollars. What budget is allocated to marketing department? Be careful regarding the digits 0. Total budget. This is simple. Quickly.
3 lakhs.
Okay. Marketing budget over here is 15%. So we will do 20 lakh divide into 15%. Your answer would be 3 lakh directly. Are we able to follow everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
See, now here, if you want to do your calculation more easy, simply you will see 30, right? 15 twos are, forget about 20 lakhs and everything. The near is the right answer. It should, the initial digit should be 3 and 0. So even if you don't calculate and everything, this is a quicker one. Okay. The next one, if the budget allocated to sales is 40,000, if the budget allocated to sales is 40,000, what is the budget allocated to IT and HR combined? If the budget allocated to sales, again the same logic.
C. And
C.
C.
Okay. Others, give it a try. Same similar pattern we have just did in previous question. C, C, C. Three people have answered. What's the total percent of HR and IT combined? 25 plus 30?
55.
55. And we will do 55 into 20 divide by 40. I'm not calculating all these zeros. 40 equals to 110. Everyone, have you understood? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, ma'am.
Applied unitary method, right?
Simple. We did just now, we did this. Where it went? The proportion one, this same logic. See the question?
Okay, we used ratio thing.
Ratio. Here also, we will do the same thing, right? I have combined both the percentage together. Where it went? Yeah. I've combined both the percentage. See, here we can write if 20 equals to 40,000, then 55 equals to basic unitary method also will do. We'll land up with this.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Okay. Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see the next question. Okay. Okay, one, we will proceed now. Otherwise, we'll do it again. This. We'll go to tables now. Study the following table and answer the questions. Expenditure here, be careful. It is in lakhs per annum. You can see from the left-hand side, it is your salary, the various expenditure, fuel, transport, bonus, interest on loans and taxes. What is the average amount of interest per year which the company has to pay during the period? Average amount. Focus on the word average over here. Average amount of interest per year. This is my column, interest of loans.
Ma'am, D, 36.66.
Okay. Others, everyone has got the answer? I've got one response. Okay, I've got three response. How do we calculate? We are summing up everything: 23.4, 32.5, 41.6, 36.4, 49.4, and we are dividing it by 5. You will get the answer. Okay, everyone got the same answer? Anyone who has different answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. The total amount of bonus paid by the company during the given period is approximately what percent of the total amount of salary paid during this period? The total amount of bonus paid, focus on which column are we asking? The total amount of bonus paid by the company during the given period. Given period means we'll consider all these, is approximately what percentage of the total amount of salary paid during this period? Yes. Anyone got the answer? Please write in chat box. Okay.
Ma'am, C.
Okay. We'll add
Ma'am,
3.
can you explain how it?
Yes, yes, I'll do. The total amount of bonus paid by the company during the given year. During the given year means we'll consider all these years, is approximately what percentage of the total amount of salary paid? Now here I have to focus on these two columns. First is they are asking bonus. So we will add all the bonus. We'll add 3 plus 2.52 plus 3.84 plus 3.68 plus 3.96. That will give me total bonus. What is the amount coming? If we add entire bonus, what is the amount coming?
17.
17. And similarly, we will add all the salary, this figure, 288, 342, 324, 336, 420. What is the denominator coming?
1710.
1710. Okay. Now, so far, the total amount of bonus paid to the company during the year is approximately what percentage? 2 total. Now, 2 after that, that is coming in the denominator. I will simply, for percentage calculation, I will divide it, I will multiply it with 100. And here you will get 1 approximately. Got it, everyone? Yes, no,
Yes, ma'am.
maybe. Have you all understood the question? Others who are facing difficulty? Yes, Namrata, Arpita, very good. ठीक है? Approximately, if you say it is 1700 by 1710, so approximately it will be 1%. Nearest answer, as I say, it will be 1. Okay. Total. Now, next question on the screen, which you can see. Total expenditure. Break it down. Read the question twice, as I always say. Total expenditure on all these items in 1998. Okay. Total expenditure. Now, here you can see the heading item of expenditure. Total expenditure of all the items in 1998 was approximately what percentage of the total expenditure in 2002? Same what we did in previous question. Use the same logic. That time it was vertically, now it is horizontally. Has anyone calculated for 1998? What is the amount coming? $490. Okay. It is just 3, huh? It's not 300. Please zoom in your screen if you're facing difficulty. We are having 495.4 divide by. Anyone calculated the denominator? What's the sum of 420 plus 142? 3.96, 49.4, 98. Always, whenever you're doing your calculation, make sure you are writing it in decreasing order. Good, Vijaya. Very good, Arpita. And it is 713.36 into 100. Now, for your ease, you can also round it up and don't just simply, we can write, if you don't want to go with this point and all, you can go approximation, the nearest answer, as I always say. So here again, these numbers, digits are lesser than 5 after decimal. So you can just omit it simply and try to figure out what percentage. Now 7, if we go with the multiple, 7 sevens are 49. So just you can divide 713 by 7 or 6. So nearest you will get the answer as approximately 69.45. Everyone, are you getting the point? Here the total we have got 495,713. Simply now, if you see again 13, the major here we have to focus is 7. In 7 table, when approximately you are getting 49, right? So nearest two digit just calculate it to make it much more faster. Good. The answer is 69.44. Good. Namrata, Shri Devi, Arpita, Kalyani. Okay. Good. Have you all understood? Shall we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The total expenditure of the company over these items during the year 2000. Very direct. The total expenditure of the company over these items during the year 2000.
Ma'am,
Quick, this
A
is
for A.
okay. A. Others also, please answer. I'm ready to wait for you all. Let's be little quick. Okay, we are having A coming in. Except these five people, I believe others are also solving. Please answer in the chat box. It will give me confidence that you all are understanding it. Okay, good. So the answer is 544.44 lakhs. Okay, the ratio between the total expenditure on taxes. Now, again, it's a question for ratio. Total expenditure on taxes for all these years. Okay, so I have to focus on this particular column, this one. And the total expenditure on fuel and transport is approximately what? We have to find the ratio between taxes and fuel and transport. Taxes by fuel and transport. Quickly write what is the amount total of taxes. Okay, good, Namrata. I hope you all are not using calculator. You all will not be provided. Please make sure your speed is good. Total for fuel and transport. 586. Okay. Everyone is getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So here it will be 1 by 1.3. So if we tend to See, now here, even if we calculate this, if we multiply both of them with 10 each, so here the answer we are getting is 10 is to 10 is to 13. Yes, everyone? Simply, if you don't even multiply 1 by 1 is to 3, 1.3, you can calculate. The answer is option number B, 10 is to 13. Yes? Shall we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now here we have new set of questions which you can see on the screen. Now, same pattern we will be seeing, we'll be observing in the exam also with same data, 5 questions would be asked. Okay. Now, this shows the number of candidates appeared and qualified in a competitive exam from different states over the years. Okay. Now, state you can see they have given MNPQR and they have given the year 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001. This is applied and this is qualified. The total number of candidates qualified from all the states together in 1997 is approximately what percentage of the total number of candidates qualified from all other states in 1998? Now you all have understood this type of question. Increase the speed. Total number of candidates qualified in 1997 is what percentage of qualified in 1998? Anyone found out for 1997 what is the figure coming? Four one six zero. Okay, good. 4160 and 1998. Okay, C. See, good. Now again, use this comment when again you want to cross check your answer here, but obvious this 2 is adding up. If we see 5 may 5 8 the 40. So somewhere our answer now this would be definitely eliminated. The 72 and 77. Now the nearest would be 80 and 83. Now if you further calculate to it, the next when we are getting barely we have 160, so our answer would be 80. So again, whenever you're calculating, at least when you are landing up to this particular figure, your calculation becomes much more easy. Now say for example, in this same question, if we had 70, 60 and 90, so in that particular case, when we have landed up here, clearly we'll know that the answer would be somewhere in 80 only, 80 percentage. So that way, please try to eliminate it. Okay, everyone understood the question? Shall we move ahead? Yes? 5230. Yes, Santoshi. Everyone understood? Okay. What is the average candidates who appeared from state Q during the years? Average, question is from average. Average candidates who appeared from state Q. Appeared means we will only take in account these columns. Be careful, don't add up the entire row. Add 81, 95, 87, 97, 96.5 you can add. Divide by 5. Okay. C, some students are getting C as an answer. Okay. Srinidhi, good. C, C, C. Very good. I'm very happy with your speed now. You all are understanding the concept. When the average part, be very careful. Now see, in this question, average appeared state Q. These are the three words. Be careful. Don't end up the entire qualified as well as this. Okay, good. Everyone has understood? Shall we move ahead? Okay. In which year the number of candidates appeared from state P has maximum percentage of qualified candidates? In which given years the number of candidates appeared in P has maximum percentage of qualified candidates? I'll give you a hint. Say for 1997, my first figure, maximum number I'm asking. So I have to calculate it. So we'll start with qualified. See, they want to know more about, they want to know regarding qualified percentage. So I'll put 780 divide by number of people who have appeared. 6400 into 100 percentage. Similarly, you have to do for all the 5 years. Similarly, for 1998, divide how many people actually qualified. That is 1020 divide by. Okay, we have answers coming in 8800. Okay.
Ma'am, just to confirm,
Okay, what's the
we have to
percentage?
manually.
Yeah. Sorry?
Yes, ma'am, I'm just confirming that we have to manually divide the qualified candidates divided by the
Hmm.
number of applicants for each of
Yes.
the year,
See,
and whichever gets the
ye-
maximum number will be the answer
yes,
for
maximum
that year.
percentage wherever you are getting maximum answer, that is right. Yes. See, yesterday what we have seen, it was, I guess, it was bar chart. So by the image, it was very clear to us, right? The percentage, or when we can see what was the growth rate, that was clear through image only. But here we are seeing that there is no constant figure, so you have to calculate manually. Okay, 1997. What is the percentage coming quickly? Approximately. Also, you tell me, it's fine. 1997, approximately. Anyone? You'll have written answer. I hope you'll have solved. Okay, 11. For 1997, it is 12.19. 1998. Wait, I'll show you this image. Just cross check if it is same with this image. Check. 12.19 for 1998, 11.59%, then 11.41. So highest we are having in 2001 with 12.82. Everyone is getting the same answer. 12, 11, 11, 12. Okay, good. Now, Arpita, what she has done is you can also go with that. Now, again, you can see two, the first one, the last one. If you want, you can go with more calculation. Other, which is 11, you don't have to go in detail calculation also, right? Try to do elimination here, because again, we are not getting the calculator. You have to do it manually. What is the percentage of candidates qualified from state N? Second one, for all the years together, over the candidates appeared by state N during all the years. Appeared, candidate, qualified versus appeared. Good, good, Sri Devi and Arpita. Read the question carefully. What is the percentage of candidates qualified in N all the years over the candidates appeared for state N? Same, just the calculation, be a little quick. So qualified, we will add these columns first quickly. Then second they're asking is appeared. So we'll add these. What is the total coming for qualified? Four eight one zero. Okay. $75 plus 92, 84.5, 92 and 88. Santoshi, good. 43150. And the answer is being asked in percentage. Use 0 into 100. Okay, we have answer coming in from Arpita. C. The right answer is option number D, 11.15. Yes, Namrata. Be little careful. You're doing good, really good. But be little careful regarding these digits. Till 11, we are right, but percentage. And whenever such thing happens, the answer is very close. Please cross verify. You can see now your speed is increasing. You're taking barely 1.5, 2 minutes to solve one question for DI, data interpretation. Again, it is time consuming, but be careful regarding. Everyone have understood? Shall we move ahead? Yes? Okay. The total number of percentage, total number of qualified candidates to total number of appeared candidate in all the 5 states. Now, again, you all have understood the concept. Similar question, I'm skipping it because, we have 1 hour left. I want to try more different type of question. Okay, on the screen, you can see the following table embodies the total data on vegetables produced year-wise in ton for a particular district, right? So here we have years mentioned, potato, tomato, and onion. In which year the production of potato is less than the average production, in which year or years the production of potato is less than the average production? Here the question is only regarding potato, so we will focus only on this particular column. The production of potato is less than the average production. Firstly, I want you all to calculate the average quick and write in the chat box. Average production of potato. Seven plus 3, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. Plus 5. 25 plus 1, 26. 2600 divide by how many year we have? 6. What's the answer for this? 6 fours are 24. 4, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 433, some approximately it will come. 433 is the average we are expecting. So which all state the production of potato is less than the average? So which all year we have lesser? 200, 300, 100. 14, 16, 17. Everyone got the answer?
Ma'am, can you please explain again how do we need to calculate it?
Yes. In which of the year the production of potato is less than the average production? Now here we are only talking about potato. So firstly, we have to focus on the average production. Now how we'll calculate the average? We will add for all the years, right? So 200 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 7 plus 8. So directly if I do 7 plus 3, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, plus 5 plus 1. 2600 divide by the number of years. We are having 6 years here from 14 till 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my average is coming approximately 433. Understood? Yes? So far?
Yes.
Yes. Now here they are saying in which years the production of potato is less than the average. Now here we have to find amongst this column which all year we have lesser than 433. So 200 is less, 300 is less than 433, and 100 is less. So 14, 16, 17. So 14, 16, 17. A, B, D. So my answer number is second, A, B, D only. Got my point? Understood, everyone?
Got it, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Chalo, we'll move ahead. Okay. The following table embodies the data. Okay, same. What is the gross production of vegetable in the year 2015? Gross production of vegetable twenty 18. Just focus here. One. Everyone understood? Very basic. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus here we are doing 70. Got it? 1270. Good. Yes. Uh, in which year the production of tomato is least? In which year the production of tomato is least? By just looking at the chart, focus on this column. Four. Very good. Here, 40 is the least. 2016. My right answer is 2016. Option number 4. Okay. Okay. What is the increase percentage of the production of vegetables from the year 2018 to 2019? Increase percentage. Vegetables from the year 2018 to 2019. Increase percentage of the production of vegetables. Now, when we have said vegetable, means total of potato, tomato, onion, all this. And this. Have I understood the question, or shall I explain the question first? In case you haven't, please let me know. I'll explain. No worries.
More 17.2%.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you verbally explain how it needs to be done?
Yes, surely. What is the increase percentage? Increases, the amount is, there's a steep rise in it, right? And percentage. So we have to form in 100 of the production of vegetables from 2018 to 2019. Now here they have not specified whether it's tomato, potato, onion, anything. So vegetable means I have to combine all this. So if I add 700 plus 70 plus 500, what was the answer previously we got?
1270.
1270. And if we add in 2019, 800 plus 90 plus 600, what it will be?
1490.
1490. Is it an increase? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
1200 to 1400, it's an increase. Now, how do we find an increase percentage? So we will divide, we will minus first of all 1490 minus 1270, which will
220.
come 220. Very good. 220. Now, yesterday class also we have discussed that then if we are, whenever we are finding increase percentage, we will put the base initial value in the denominator. So here it will be 220 divide by my initial figure 2018. So 1270 into 100 because it's percentage. Now you calculate, it will come 17.2. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Chalo, we'll move ahead. Okay. It is 7:15. 1 minute, sorry. Okay, let's do one more question, then we have line chart coming in. Okay, quickly, we'll try to finish before 7:30, so we can proceed towards line chart. Okay, based on the data in the table, answer the following questions. Consider the table that contains year-wise data, installed renewable energy capacity for four countries, X, Y, Z, T, over the period of 5 years from 2015 to 2019. Taking all the four countries together, my country is X, Y, Z, T, what is the overall increase? Again, increase, decrease, overall increase in installed capacity of renewable energy in the year 2019 to 2015. Just now, what question we did, similar to that. Use the same logic. Quickly, total of 2015, what it is? 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 12. 20, 30, 40, 45. Everyone is getting 45? Yes? 8 plus 12, 20, 30, 40, 1, 5, 15, 45. Everyone is getting 45 for 2015. 2019, add. What is the sum which you're getting?
91.11%.
91.11.
Ma'am, answer.
Okay. Answer. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the total for 2019? Others?
86. 86.
86. Okay. I am seeing the chat box. 86. Good. Same logic. Increase. Definitely there's an increase. Again, the same question can be asked in degrees also. Say, for example, 2015, my figure is coming 86. And in 2019, it is coming 45. So in the same way, they can ask in exam, decrease percentage. Same way, same method will follow. 86 minus 45 upon initial value of 2015, which is 45, into 100. The answer was coming as 91.11. Good, very good. I hope now you all clear. Basic pattern remains this only from table. They'll ask increase, decrease percentage, what is the proportion, compare, ratio, right? I hope you'll be much more confident now. Yes? Everyone understood? Shall we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. For the country Y, this one, what is the average annual growth percentage of the renewable energy capacity? Now, all the answer is given in approximation. For the country Y, What is the average annual growth rate? Growth rate just now increase. We understood how do we calculate. Now they are asking for all the years. Firstly, we will do for this is an increase. Yes. Increase of 3. 3 divided by 5. Sorry, 15 initial into 100. 15 twos are 30. 20%. For the next 2 by 18 into 100. 20 to 20, there is no change. So directly we'll have 0% increase. Here we will have approximately 11.11.
12.77% answer.
12.77. Okay, good. Same increase, decrease will have the same thing. 18 minus 5, 3, 20 minus 18, 2 by initial year, 20 minus 20, 0, and last 24 minus 20, we will have 4 by 20. Into 100, which will again come approximately 20 only, not approximately 20. Add all this together, 20 plus 20, 40 plus 11.11. So we will have 51.11, the sum total of all the percentage. Now, what is the average annual growth percentage? You have calculated growth percentage. Now for average, I will again divide it by the number of years. So divide by 4, I will be getting 12.77. Everyone, are we getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Why here we have not divided by 5 but 4? Anyone can answer that? I can see from 15 to 19 we are having 5 years, but we have here divide by 4. Why?
Because we are considering growth, like comparing from the previous year.
Yes. 2015 May there is no growth. That is my base figure. My growth is happening from 2016. So 2016, 2017, 18 and 19. These are only 4 years. So that is why 51.11 divided by 4. Have you all understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Shall we'll do one more, then we'll take a small break. In any given year, compared to the previous year, which country registered the maximum growth? In compared to the previous year, again the same story. Which country registered the maximum growth? Which company registered the maximum growth? Solve it.
X and Z.
Yes. Okay, X and Z. Okay, Kavya. Good. How we will calculate here? Which figures we will consider?
Ma'am, where we see maximum difference.
Hmm.
Like in Z, last के दो 15-20 और
Hmm.
X में भी 2017 and 2018.
Yes. So maximum is coming in X and Z. So the right answer is here the option number 4, X and Z. You all now understand, no? Previous year, next year, and the percentage, how we can calculate. Everyone got the answer? X and Z?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Others? Yes. Okay. Good. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take a small break for 5 minutes, 7:30. We will be back. You'll also freshen up before we start with the next topic of line charts. Okay, so we'll just take a small 5 minutes break and then we will wind it up with line chart. Okay. Okay, are we back, everyone? Shall we start? Okay. Santoshi has said yes, others, Vijaya. Okay, fine. Okay, so the next topic which we'll cover today is regarding the line chart. Now, as we discussed earlier, also, whenever there's time series being concerned, we have line charts, right? So let's solve a few problems of line chart. Now, here is an example demonstration being given, exports of three countries over the year. Now, again, if we see the unit, please be very careful, I repeat, the unit being given, okay? So as we can see, here the unit is being given in crores. The unit is being given in crores. Company X indicated with blue, red, Z, and Y. For which of the following pairs of the years total exports from three companies together are equal? Now this shows entire which country, right? Country wise. Now company wise, sorry. Which pairs of years the total exports from three companies together are equal? Say in 1993, option may we have 95, 98, 96, 98, 97, 98, 95, 96. So majorly calculate for this only. Don't do for these. We'll go with elimination. Add 40, 60, and 120. In 1995, similarly for 1996, 97, and 98. What's the total of 1995? Anyone? 30 plus
Ma'am, 220.
1995, 220. 1996,
Same 220.
got the answer? We will not even calculate for 7 and 8. For which of the following pairs the total exports from the three companies together is equal? See, now we will not start with 93. 93, 94 is not an option. So again, clearly we are doing elimination. 95 and 96, here we are getting the perfect pair for 220. So my right answer is 95, 96, option number D. Everyone, are you with me? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Average. Next question. Average annual exports during the given period for company Y, Y is in green in color, is approximately what percentage of average annual exports of company Z. I repeat, average annual export during the given period, means given period means all the period, right? From 93 to 99, if it is given period means all the period for company Y. The green one, add all, is approximately what percentage of annual export of for company Z, the red in color? Let's start with company Y first, the green one. Add all these. 80 plus 40, yeah, it's 40, plus 60, again 60, 80, 90, no, this is 100, sorry, 100 and 140. What is the total coming in? Divide by 7.
Ma'am, it's 560.
Okay. 7 8s are 56. So here we will have 80. Similarly, we'll do it for Z also. Add 60 plus 90 plus 120, 90, 60, 80, 100. Divide by again 7. Take your time, solve. Seven eights are 56, 80, 5.7 something. Have we reached till here, everyone? Quick.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, average annual export during the given period for Y, this and Z is calculated. Now we have to find what percentage of the average annual export. Now, 80 divided by 85.7 into 100. Do it quick. And that will be your answer. पहले हमने एवरेज एनुअल एक्सपोर्ट निकाला फॉर जेड सेपरेटली एंड फॉर वाई एंड जेड एंड देन वी हैव टू फाइंड वाई to Z percentage. So Y figure will be on your numerator, Z would be in your denominator into 100 because it's percentage. Quickly start writing, responding in chat box. Clearly from here we will see that it cannot be exact 85 and 80, so it will not be 100%, 90. So for now my this option would be eliminated. I have to focus on either it is 91.21 or 93.33. Santoshi is saying D. Okay. Others, quick. It's a small calculation. Come on, we have to be little fast. Okay. Srinidhi saying D. Have I understood the concept? Please
Yes,
be
ma'am.
careful with each and every word. Average to percentage, everything. Be careful. Okay, so right answer is option number D. Very good. 93.33%. See, just narrow it. 93, your answer is coming. Don't go beyond that. We only have 90 ke baad next digit I have to find. That's it. Near about 3 it is, you think it is coming. Go for option D and proceed because other answers are not even near. Okay. In which year was the difference between the exports from company X and company Y minimum? In which year was the difference between the exports minimum? Just now you have calculated. Now, again, don't calculate for all the 7 years. Only focus on 4 options. You calculate for 94, 95, 96, and 97. That's it. 4 options only. 94, 95, 96, 97. Which year the difference between the exports between company X, company Y was minimum? So here X is in blue, Y is in green. Sixty minus 40. 20. 95, 60 minus 40 again. 96. 70 minus 60, 10. 97. 80 and 100. 20. Which is minimum?
Ma'am, 96, 1996.
1996. Got it? We will not calculate. Please be careful. Don't go. We'll start with 93. 4 options, clear cut. Here, just be focused. Which year we have to target these points. Everyone understood? Are we good to go? Forward. These points. Right? So minimum is 10. So my right answer is option number C, 1996. Everyone is getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
C, C. Okay. Others who are not responding, I believe you all are understanding it.
Ma'am, have
Yes.
understood till the point 60 minus 40 is 20, right? So post that, how did we
Post that
proceed?
for 95 also. Same. 60 minus 40. See, these are same only. This point and this point. Either way, difference I'm calculating. No. From this 60, it went to 40. And this 40 went to 60. My difference would be 20 only. Yes.
Right. Then it reached to 10.
And here, yes, 10 means here 70 minus 60. These 2 points. Can you see the
Right.
cursor?
Right. Then again 20. It went to 20.
Yes. So minimum is 10. Got it? Here they're asking what was the minimum export.
Okay,
Minimum is
got it
10,
now.
which was 96. Okay. Understood, everyone? Shall we proceed?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
What is the difference between, again, difference between average export of three companies in 1993 and the average export in 1995? Difference हमें ढूंढना है. Difference between the average exports of three companies. ये तीनों का जो हमारा डिफरेंस है इन 1993.
Ma'am, can you please instruct how I need to proceed?
Okay. We have to find the difference between the average exports of the three companies in 1993 and the average export of 1998. See what are the figures here we are having. 93 mein we are having 30. What happened to this? I don't know. Can you see this blue mark?
Yes,
30.
ma'am. 30, 60, and
30
80.
plus 60 plus 80. Add that. And it is saying average. So we will divide by 3.
3.
And similarly for 1993, 1998, we are having 50 plus 80 plus 100. Divide by 3. And their difference. Both is divided by 3, so we don't want to consider the numerator. Leave that. Just add the sum. Forget about the denominator. Both is 3, so we can cancel it out. We will just focus on the addition part.
Right. The addition part can later on be taken into difference, and that will be the answer.
Yes, 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 yes. One minute. I'm sorry. Okay, yes. Add these 3. Add these 3. What is the total of 1993? Can anyone answer that?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
170.
170.
170. Perfect. And for 1998, how much it is coming?
230.
230.
230. I am not considering the average here because दोनों में denominator 3 ही है. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
That I can add. So what is the difference between 230 and 170? 230
60.
minus 170 is 60. Now I can do 60 divided by 3. Right? Same only either if I write like this, minus this, or this. It is same only. It is 20 crores. Got my point, everyone? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
7230 divided by 3 minus 170 divided by 3. Denominator is same. 60 divided by 3. We are getting 20. Got it? Everyone is getting the same answer? Yes, no, maybe, please let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Just read carefully the question, what it is asking. Average. percentage, increase, decrease. Be careful. I feel DI is really scoring. Just be careful. Put your 100%. If given a chance, as you can, explore and move towards the question also, DI, do it first, do it patiently. DI, reasoning, research aptitude. You have to be conceptually very clear, and it is a scoring part, right? Okay, the next one. In how many of the given years in how many of the given years were the exports from company Z more than the exports average annual export for the given years? I repeat, कितने ऐसे साल थे? How many years exports for company Z, the red one, were more than the average annual exports for the given years? So firstly, what we'll found? We'll find average annual export. सिर्फ कंपनी Z की बात हो रही है तो आप सिर्फ रेड लाइन को फॉलो करोगे. Only red we will consider. Average, so 60 plus 90, 120. Add these and quickly tell me what is the average coming in. What's the sum total we are getting? Adding all these points, 60 plus 90 plus 120 plus 90, 60, 80, 100. What is the amount coming? Figure. Guys, do 60, 60, 120, 120 plus 120, 240, 240 plus 100, 340. Do like that. It will be easy, quicker. It will be 600. 600 divide by number of years, 7. How much it is coming? $85.71. 4 years. Good. Very, very good. 85.71. Now, wherever you have written this, 60 plus 90 plus 120, now count. How many of them are there? 90, 120, 90, and 100. So we are having 4 such year. So the correct answer is C. I repeat, for average annual exports of company Z, we have added all this figure, which is coming 600, divide by, because it's average, so divide by 7, which is coming 85.71. Now, if you clearly look, 85 के ऊपर हमारे पास कितना है? If you can see this dotted line, above 87, here you can clearly see through graph only. You don't even have to look at it. We are having 4 such figures. So the right answer is option number C. That is 4 years. Are we getting the answer, everyone? 4 years आया सबका answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's 8:57. Okay, let's do one more question before we leave. Y'all have any doubts? Anything you want to ask with respect to exam as its last class? Or we'll do one more question or 1, 2 question more quickly. Yes. Anyone has any doubt so far? Are you getting the concept, everyone? See, majorly, if I talk upon, be careful where the average term is written. Be careful where we ideally make mistake. What I have observed is whenever there is increase and decrease, always your base year would be considered. Be very sure regarding it. Be sure whenever you are in hurry to solve the question, be sure regarding the digits, the decimals. Read the question twice. Now, DI is time taken. So please don't go in that guilt that I have given lesser time to teaching aptitude, research aptitude, comprehension, people, environment, or higher education. There, if you know the answer that it is Yashpal committee, or when was NEP 2020 released, or anything, that is very instant. You are giving that answer in 15 seconds or 20 seconds. But here DI and comprehension would take time. So be sure that that theoretical part you are very clear with it, so you can save time for Di would be time taking. So make sure when you are in your mental peace, it's good, everything can control, and then carefully read what they are trying to answer. Be careful regarding, many times what they do is, see, for example, here in 1990 it was 250 crores. Now here it is written crores. Many times the answer would be given in lakhs. So again, you are not making sure that okay, 300 is not an option given if the right answer, because they may be talking in lakhs or they may be talking in decimals. So be very careful regarding these small things whenever you are appearing for DI. Rest, you'll have answered beautifully, and by various questions you'll have solved, you have got the crux of it, how the questions are being placed. So make sure you know what is ratio, average, percentage, right? And try elimination technique wherever you are finding that okay, nearest answer, go with the next digit, avoid that, how easy it would be, right? So make sure you don't continue and solve the entire. Now here you are not having any step marking. We are only concerned that it should be the right answer. So try elimination, do mathematical calculation. Now here, as we had 120 plus 80, so it is 200. So that should be that quick with your fingers, you'll be able to calculate that. Okay, are we clear? Good to go for exam? I guess only comprehension is left now, right? Yes, I have shared with ma'am also one link. I hope you would have got that, right? It has previous year question paper. DI, only you solve question. As more questions you will be able to solve, that will bring your confidence, okay? And go with approximation, not the exact one. Approximately your digits are right. It will be definitely the right answer. Okay, so it's already 8. We will wind it up here. All the very best for your exam. You will do really good. I can back up on y'all. And just in case if y'all have any doubt, I've shared my LinkedIn profile also. You can drop a message over there. As and when I have time, I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. Okay, so do take care. All the best. Do well. Okay, thank you.
Guys, I have an announcement to make, so please wait for ma'am to close the recording.
Yeah, I'll just do that now.